new video on the all-new Hyundai Creta Facelift 2024. So let's go! So this is the all-new Hyundai Creta Facelift 2024 SXO optional. This is the top-end variant of the car. This is the hood of the vehicle. Now let us check out the engine. I can do workout with this bonnet every day. So this is the 1.5 liter naturally aspirated MPI engine which produces around 114 horsepower and 145 Newton meters of torque. Oh my god, it's so hot. And I hope it will get more better results in NCAP rating this time because they had upgraded the body shell structure of this vehicle from the pre-facelift model. Now let us check this. It now gets a 360 camera and new R17 tires. These are connecting DRLs all over the car. It also gets a camera under the logo. There's a radar for ADAS and also a camera for there. These are wipers, but they are not bladeless, so this can be a cost cut. It gets a push button start over here. What a horn! And this is the boot of this vehicle. This is the back side of this vehicle. They are also connected tail lamps just like the front. It gets a wiper over here and washer fluid and defogger as always. Let's open the boot of the vehicle. Oh, it's pretty big, 433 liters of boot space. Here we get a not an alloy but an R16 tire. 205/65 is the tire size. Close it. God, this also closes with a third. Let's get inside of the vehicle now. And here we can see that I'm 5'5" and I have so much headroom over here. The thigh support is also very nice. Leg room is also very nice. We also get an armrest over here with 2 cup holders. Some nice headrests and 3-point seat belts for all passengers. Also we get ISOFIX style mounts. And here there are the AC vents of the back side which are a chiller. Here we get the Bose 8-speaker sound system which is also nice. We can experience it when we go in front. Now here it gets 8-way powered electric seats. Also here are the window controls and electrically adjustable mirrors. And here we get inside the car. Here is the push start button. Here is the auto start stop button, traction control and the headlight leveler and the parking camera. This is an IVT model of this naturally aspirated car. Let's start the engine. It gets the whole swipe up thing. And here is the screen. Let's test the horn. Just now it tested the horn, which was very loud indeed. And now we are going to see the mirror. One touch up down for the driver only, but not for the passenger and the other all mirrors. So now we can see the touch screen, which is butter smooth. It just feels like you are using a phone. Here it also gets some navigation, a map. The map is very nice for the price point of this car, and the climate control settings. Now we get to the steering wheel. It gets the D-cut steering wheel and this grey finish looks very nice with this car and matches with it. Here are the new ADAS control because now it gets the ADAS level 2. Here is the lane keep assist, the lane following assist, and the cruise control, smart cruise control, conditions not met. Yeah, I know it. Thank you. And now it gets this auto dimming IRVMs, sunglass holder, LED lamps all over. There are also LED lamps if I can see. Yeah. And this is the sunroof of this vehicle. Biggest sunroof in the segment yet. And if we see the interiors, they are so classy, neat. And here we get the climate control settings, the volume button, the radio system controls, and all AC. It gets the ventilated seats and also the 360 parking camera. It gets the 3D mode, which is like awesome, man. I like it so much. This is the IVT gearbox of this vehicle, which is smooth as butter, because if you know, Hyundai cars are so smooth and their engines are like wow. So now we checked out the interior of this car and all the seats, and the seats are of leatherette, soft and cushiony seats, best for long drives. I hope so. And this is the floor of this vehicle. It gets a slight bump, which would be a problem for the center passenger, but it's okay. We can adjust that much. No fancy pedals. The N-line version of the Creta gets the fancy pedals, which are indeed nice. Now let's check the engine sound of this car. Let's check out the wipers. Flow of the water is so good and wipers are nice. But if there were aerodynamic wipers, it would be more better. Now let's check out the music system of this car. Radio. Oh my god, so much loud noise of this music system because it gets a Bose. Here we have the leather armrest under which we can store things. Here used to be an air purifier system, but it is now been removed and it is internal now. Here are the air purifier vents, and here we get an AC for the passenger, and it has a new design which looks so better than the old one. And here is a connected screen of the car, which is also very nice. The lights, and if it's a Creta, you know what to do. Yeah, but we are not going to do it because we follow the rules and we drive. The driver gets a sunshade but no mirror and light in it. Co-passenger gets a big mirror but no light, and that's a miss. Sunroof, as you checked, it is very huge and I like it so much. Air is air. And now the video comes to an end. At last, I'm going to say that Hyundai has already proven the track record of this car with the highest selling numbers. Over 1 lakh Cretas are sold from its launch, and it's a great thing for Hyundai to prove it. And overall, I like this car so much because of its bold design, very classy interior, and all the features that it has. It is also going to be the new segment killer of this segment, and it's going to be a bomb. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this with your family and friends. Thanks.